Ways to find relief from arthritis pain and suffering. Every year, millions of men and women experience the pain and discomfort of arthritis. This condition can make it very hard to function normally and carry out daily tasks. The information in these tips and tricks is sure to offer insight into the nature of this painful and common medical condition. If you are suffering from rheumatoid arthritis, make sure you're getting enough omega-3 in your diet. If you're not, consider taking a supplement like fish oil to help get those levels up. Studies have shown that omega-3 has many anti-inflammatory benefits for those who suffer from rheumatoid arthritis. If you are in the process of building or remodeling a home, talk to your builder to see if they can make some modifications. You can actually sit face to face with your builder to go over a list. Modifying the placement of items you ordinarily would have to stretch to reach can help you manage your arthritis better. When your joints are inflamed, stretching can be painful, so minimizing the amount of stretching you do helps minimize your joint pain. If you suffer with chronic arthritis, you can find relief with acupuncture. It's been proven that this method can soothe some of your arthritis pain. When you find successful therapies, try to keep up with your treatment plan to avoid a relapse or worsening symptoms. Exercise is one of the best medicines for arthritis. It is a great help in reducing pain and stiffness in your joints. It will increase your flexibility and the strength of your muscles, which will help your body avoid further injury. Make sure to make time every day for exercise and you will see the benefits. Treat yourself to a massage to help your arthritis pain. Seeing a trained massage therapist can help soothe your sore muscles, reduce your swelling and inflammation. You can also see these same benefits at home by massaging the affected areas for just a few minutes a day. Make sure to use oils or creams to make it as gentle as possible. In order to help ease some of the pain associated with arthritis in your hands or fingers, you may want to consider using topical creams. Many of these creams helps joints to relax, which helps to ease arthritis pain. Just be sure you consult with your doctor before using these creams. Whether you suffer from arthritis or know someone else who does, following the advice in this video will help you to become more well-informed about the condition. These tips are an excellent starting point for anyone who wants to find refuge from the pain and mobility limitations that often accompany arthritis. Would you like to discover the arthritis breakthrough your doctor won't tell you about? Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn more. Uncover one cheap ingredient, found in every supermarket, proved to improve arthritis 48%. Visit secretarthritishack.com to learn all of this and more. Link in the description.